Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button so you will be notified every time I post up a new video. So this video is going to be my favorite video of all times. I watched so many videos of this. I finally caved in and ordered my personal first Ipsy bag. So I will be doing these Ipsy bags, I guess, a couple of times a week or every month actually. So I can't wait, So I've been waiting to record this video. You have no idea. So go ahead and hit the like button and let's get on with this video.
Cassie, look at me.
I just want to point out to you right now, I love getting mail. Amazon has been my best friend. Like, you really get things from cheap sales. It's the devil. It is literally the devil. I have not opened these yet, and I'm really super excited to do this in front of you guys. So I figured, why not the best time in front of my mommies? So let's go on, and I will give you reviews and how I like them. So it's the big one. Let's do the small one. Okay, I'm gonna do the small one. Like I said, I've never seen this inside before, so this is just the first time. So, oh, and this is really cute. Like, it has two sides of the bag. So I really like that type of bag because I don't usually I don't have purses at all. So let's see what's going on. First thing we got is bubble wrap. Who has a kid love bubble wrap? It's just like popping up. Cause that is so me. And I'm gonna be honest, I still love popping. Alright, so it is a blush and a bronzer. I have not worn blush or bronzer since high school. But I really want to get into makeup, so I think that's where this whole thing really got me interested. If I was gonna wear makeup, I'm gonna have to actually spend good enough money where it's good enough for my face. So I can't. It's like it's top. Oh, that's really cute. Blush and the bronzer together, and then you get the mirror. I'm like, hey, I'm like, oh, as part of these products are cruelty free and the vegan 100%. It says it literally right there too. So that's actually good. Like I said, I like natural products on my face, so you know it's good for you. Oh, and I got a highlighter. That is a pretty color. I really can't wear. I don't wear highlighter. I don't know if you can see that. It's a really cute color, and I don't wear highlighter, but I'm really curious on definitely starting with. Ooh, I see eyeshadow. Now eyeshadow definitely a weekend thing when I'm at work. Every other day when I'm at work, it just brings the color in your eyes. And I like natural colors. So, like brown, this how it goes good on my eyes. My skin tone, yes. It's a really good, nice brown color. I really do like it. I'm a kid, yeah, definitely keep my kids away from this stuff because they love makeup. So I do have a sore throat too also. I'm still trying to get rid of it, so yeah, bear with me. I sound like Minnie Mouse. Plus everybody's sleeping, so it's mostly all the time I can record when everybody's asleep. And I'm babysitting 4 kids instead of 2 of my kids. So on the weekends when I don't have to work, I basically take my sister's baby, and her baby over my house. So yeah. Next we have the CC Clean. I've never used this before, but I do know what it is. I'll definitely do like a video where I'll be putting it on. Maybe I'll do like get ready with me. Oh! Lip balm! I am a lip balm person all the time. And in fact, my lips are chapped, and I know it's nighttime. Oh, it smells so good. And it's so soft. Alright. The next one is the big bag. Don't you love them? If those that know me very well, my favorite color is pink, so they couldn't be any better. And look at this. I am so in this bag. It's my new bag. I'm going to carry it around. I love the smell of new bags. I don't know what it is. It's like smelling a new car. Look at this. Look at this more bubble wrap. I'm super excited. It's like Christmas all over again. The eyeshadow. Look at this whole pack. That is really pretty. And that was just the box. Got the hypnotizers. Oh my god. Recommend. I will definitely link all the products underneath my description box. And then you definitely have to check it out. Oh, I got a bronzing case. Duo. Can we say a duo? Definitely learning how to do a bronzer. It is. Oh, and look, it comes with a brush. Oh, that's a nice brush. You know how hard it is to try to find these brushes? They're usually like $10 or even more sometimes at Walmart or CVS. And this is a really fun brush, okay? Let me put that on that. I definitely like it. I got more lip gloss. Cause my lip gloss is cool, but my lip gloss is popping. Yeah, who remembers that? I had to try it on. Wait. Oh, liquid eyeliner, yes. Because I started wearing eyeliner a lot again. I always used eyeliner with eyeliner since I was in middle school. That was my signature thing. It was anyone that knew me in high school, I always wore a high ponytail with an eyeliner. That's it. That was always me. I was always known as the ponytail girl. My face mask. Oh my god, this is for real? Oh, I like this. I'm gonna use this now, but I'm gonna wait until tonight. And it's only step by step though, but I definitely like it. And it's, I guess it just takes a one step and stuff, one package, so you know how it feels. But I'm definitely gonna buy more than these at Ipsy, because I already like Ipsy, so I definitely recommend this. these products and stuff. I can't wait for my next bag, and the next video is coming up, so stay tuned for the next one because it's going down, baby. And I am what you call an Ipsy collector vlogger now. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and I hope you guys all enjoyed this video because I certainly enjoyed opening for the very first time in front of you guys, because you guys are very supportive of me, and I really do appreciate all the love and support that you guys show me, and staying subscribed with those that you have, and just helping me reach my goal. And like, keep it real, keep it positive. And I will see you guys in my next video, guys. Bye!